วัดของไอ้ละสร้างตึกสร้างกันเป็นเย็นละเกิดเราบาราสวายสวาย
Well, this sit-in strike today on the 18th of August 2025 is part of the program of the Northeastern Organization in the whole of the Northeastern region, in all the state capitals where we have the sit-in strike to pressurize the state governments and also the government of India to take note of this very, very serious issue that has been plaguing the Northeastern region for so many years now, since independence. And we have faced this problem of illegal immigration of people from across the border, especially from Bangladesh to the different states of the northeastern region. And we have seen the situation in Tripura, we have seen now the situation in Assam, and even in Meghalaya. We have witnessed so many upheavals and people's movement against this infiltration of people from Bangladesh. So this sit-in strike is a call to the government of India and also to the state governments of the different states of the northeastern region to take note of this very serious issue and to take proactive actions on the ground to stop this illegal infiltration.
The influx issue is a very serious matter in not only in Meghalaya but in the entire northeast region for many decades now. We have seen the demographic changes in many northeastern states, notably Tripura, Assam, and even in Meghalaya also. Also, this demographic imbalance also used to create stir in most of the northeastern states. We have seen there are conflicts, contestation of space between indigenous people and the non-indigenous people. And the Khasi Students Union, under the aegis of the Northeast Students Organization, had been at the forefront to demand from the central government as well as the state government to curb the unabated flow of illegal immigrants into our state and in the entire northeast region. We have been organizing rallies, agitations from time and again, and today also under the instruction of the Northeast Students Organization in a meeting held on the 6th of this month in Guwahati, the different components of the Northeast Students Organization are organizing protest rallies across the entire region in all the headquarters, the capitals of the 7 northeastern states.
So, whether your demand for ILP still persists, what are you doing so that this demand can be met?
We have been, many times we have been organizing agitations for the implementation of ILP. However, we see that if we organize agitations, the government is adamant to implement ILP. The state government is not really serious in pursuing the matter with the central government. Therefore, the Khasi Students Union has been compelled to conduct its own ILP system in our state, whereby our volunteers along the borders, in the national highways, and even in different pockets of the state have been conducting checks and eviction drives of illegal immigrants, of doubtful people who are entering our state.